mga bata nga popcorn na. Snack sila popcorn. Popcorn guys, snack sila popcorn mga bata guys.
Sorry.
Mga kalosyang na mga bata tanawan nangaon sila popcorn. Tagay ko art kay ko art be.
Hey. And happy birthday to you, little girl.
Gamay ra oy, di na ganon oy. Gamay ra kasima ra man ko. Lami ko ang popcorn.
You found him online. He was sentenced for assault with.
Lami ang popcorn guys.
But he
Na.
got off with a misdemeanor and
Snack mga bata popcorn. Ganiha lechonili karon popcorn.
It was an adoption, Cheryl. I can't give you much information about the birth parents.
But that doesn't make any sense.
How did he find us?
His parental rights were terminated, so he shouldn't be part of adoption.
I just didn't expect the biological father to be part of the package.
Even if this man is Mona's father, he won't be a problem. In a state custody adoption, the birth parents have no appeal rights.
So what do we do if he comes back?
Look, you do whatever you want. I'll invite him in for coffee or shut the door in his face.
Hoy, ngaway ha. Kaon mo diya.
Yeah.
Kinuha ang asinggad. Ayaw mo tangi ka. Atay.
Hey, do you know that there's a management conference in Anaheim next week?
Di mo magilog-ilog kaya pa daghan oh. Inyo parang hot doon.
Drive down.
Kamuray mo kaon ana.
I'm sure they
Dili ha, dili magparkuan. Ara na diya. Gikan mo diya daghan. Utob sa inyong mahurot. Hala, hotdan ninyo og mahimo.
Pino ng asin ma.
Oh, mga tuog taro ginuman ha.
Ilap.
Tuog sa dasad.
Ilapi. Ilapi.
Na nabuang na eh. Signara yung papa ba?